Okay, now we're moving on to trinomials. We did what if you do when the last term is positive. Well, remember how it goes. X squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both are the same as the middle. And what do you multiply to get 4, but you add to get 5? So most people find these pretty straightforward. I hope. We shall see, I guess. But if I have x squared minus 7x plus 12, I'm seeing a little bit better, so I hope you guys are too. So x squared is x and x. Last sign's plus, so both are the same as the middle. And the factors of 12 add up to 7 would be 3 and 4. So I've got x squared plus 8x plus 15. You'd say, okay, x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. And what do you multiply to get 15, but you add to get 8 would be 5 and 3. So try a couple for me, please. Just try 2. Just to do 2. Okay. So x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle. What do you multiply to get 20, but you add to get 9? That'd be 5 and 4. Here, x squared is x and x. Last term's plus, so both are the same as the middle. What do you multiply to get 44, but you add to get 15? How about 4 and 11? Then we did what do you do if the last term is negative? So it starts off the same way. X squared is x and x. Last term's minus, so you do opposite signs. What do you multiply to get 20? But you subtract to get 1, and that would be 5 and 4. Largest one goes with the middle sign. That is so when you FOIL 4x minus 5x, you get minus 1x. So if I did x squared plus 7x minus 30. So again, I'm trying to break it up into 2 binomials. X squared is x and x. Last term's minus, so it's plus minus. And what do you multiply to get 30? But you subtract to get 7, and that would be 10 and 3. And the 10 goes with the middle sign because it's the largest factor. So try a couple for me, please. X squared plus 5x minus 24. X squared minus x minus 30. Do those 2 for me, please, and then turn it back on. Okay. So x squared is x and x. Last term's minus, so it's plus minus, opposite signs. When you multiply two things to get a negative, one has to be positive, one has to be negative. And how about 8 and 3? 8's the larger one, so it goes with the middle sign. This one, x squared is x and x. Last term's minus, so both signs are the same as the middle. And what are the factors of 30? What do you multiply to get 30? But you subtract to get 1, and that is 6 and 5. 6 goes with the middle sign because it's the bigger one. Now, to check your work, all you have to do is FOIL in your head. You should get the original one. Okay,